Hey Space Cadets, Lanchen here. Welcome back to another Galaxy tutorial. Today I'm going to be painting this. This is the Boomerang Nebula, also known as the Bowtie Nebula. It's one of the coldest places known in the entire universe. It's 1 Kelvin. I'm going to be painting it on a 4x4 inch flat canvas. You can find all the products that I'm using for this video below in the description box. So today I'm going to paint the Boomerang Nebula, also known as the Bowtie Nebula. It's a protoplanetary nebula located 5,000 light years away from Earth in the constellation of Centaurus. It's cataloged as the LEDA 3074547. Something really cool about this nebula is that it's actually evolving towards a planetary nebula phase. So to start, I painted my canvas black with a Mars Black Basics paint, which I don't have in front of me at the moment. And the two colors I'm going to be using for this are my primary blue and my primary white, both by Basics. This is the best color blue you can get. I'm not even kidding. This color blue is so beautiful and vibrant. If you mix it with a little bit of white, you get the best color blue. So that's why I'm deciding to use just these two colors. For this video, I'm going to use 2 detail brushes and 2 flathead brushes and 1 star daughter. First step, gonna take my white, put it in the direction of the nebula right here. Alright, so this is dry. I'm just going to come in with white detail right here because I want this to be the brightest section. I'm just using a smaller detail brush for this. I'm just going to add finishing touches, which is this starburst going through the center. Alright guys, that is it. Thanks again so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at @Lanchen Designs on Instagram or Etsy. Space Cadets, I will see you next time.